that fueled a massive botanical revolution, the spread of flowering plants. And this lush, thriving environment supported the most famous heavyweights in all of dinosaur history. We've got the Tyrannosaurus rex dominating North America with its bone-crushing bite. Over in other parts of the world, you had Spinosaurus, a terrifying, massive semi-aquatic predator. You also had smaller, incredibly agile, feathered theropods like the velociraptor. And replacing the older sauropods were the Titanosaurus, literally the largest land animals ever known to exist. So the crucial point is that during the Cretaceous, dinosaurs became incredibly, almost perfectly specialized for their specific environments and hunting grounds.
But it wasn't just about size and teeth, It was also about intelligence and social dynamics. Herbivorous dinosaurs in the Cretaceous developed some incredibly complex behaviors. Duck-billed dinosaurs like Edmontosaurus formed massive herds and complex nesting colonies, showing a really high level of social organization. Horned dinosaurs like the famous Triceratops flourished everywhere, and bone-headed dinosaurs like Pachycephalosaurus likely engaged in intense headbutting contests for dominance. They weren't just purely surviving, they actually had highly dynamic, complex social lives.
And the terrifying scale of the Cretaceous extended way beyond the land. Enormous marine lizards called mosasaurs evolved to become the absolute apex predators of the oceans, hunting right alongside the surviving plesiosaurs. Up in the atmosphere, pterosaurs reached their absolute physical limits. I mean, the Quetzalcoatlus was a flying reptile with a wingspan that rivaled a modern small aircraft. No way you'd want to see that flying overhead. It's also really worth noting that right beneath the feet of all these giants, early placental and marsupial mammals were just beginning to emerge, waiting in the wings.
Section 4. The final extinction event.
After 186 million years of continuous evolution and absolute global dominance, the empire came to a terrifyingly abrupt end. 66 million, that's the fateful number. 66 million years ago, on an otherwise totally ordinary day, a massive asteroid, roughly 10 kilometers wide, slammed into the Earth at the Yucatan Peninsula, carving out the massive Chicxulub crater. Let's see how this builds, because the devastation wasn't just the impact itself. It was a brutal, unstoppable chain reaction. Step 1. The immense impact hits. Step 2. This triggers unimaginable, widespread wildfires and literal global tsunamis. Step 3. The sheer force ejects massive amounts of dust and aerosols high into the atmosphere, completely blocking out the sun. And finally, Step 4. Without sunlight, plants die off rapidly, causing a prolonged impact winter that entirely collapses the global food chain. The toll was just devastating. Roughly 75% of all species on Earth were completely wiped out. Every single non-bird dinosaur, all the giant flying pterosaurs and the terrifying mosasaurs of the deep, gone forever. But a crucial 25% sliver of life clung on through the darkness. Turtles, crocodilians, surviving birds, and our tiny, long-suffering ancestors, the mammals.
Which leaves us with this final, truly remarkable thought. The dinosaurs dominated this planet with unmatched scale and power for nearly 200 million years. Yet it took an asteroid from deep space to forcibly clear the board and end the age of reptiles. It really forces us to ask, if that 10-kilometer rock had missed the Earth, would the dinosaurs still be ruling today? And how exactly did those surviving mammals take advantage of this apocalyptic reset to eventually build the world we live in now? It's a fascinating question to ponder. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through deep time on this explainer. Keep asking questions and keep exploring.